Hey, and welcome. Today I want to take a look at one of these little portable Ryobi P3240. I absolutely love it. I like the portability, very light and easy to use. Onboard storage, get your onboard storage for your hose. Swing that out, bring that back. Also has storage on the side. Sweeper. And on the back, you got your crevice attachment. It's really nice. One of the features that I really like about this, when you take it apart, you've got a filter in here that is reusable and cleanable. And I've actually cleaned this a couple of times already and reused it. It's great to actually take it off. You twist it to the left, pull it out, put it back on, twist it to the right. It actually is a blower also, and it's kind of nifty how they came up with the idea for this. You just take this, and here's your exhaust. You take your sweeping attachment, put that on there, take your hose, swing that out, and you're going to unlock that. Take your hose off, take the intake for your suction, put that down inside, pop battery in. And now you've got a blower that you can actually blow off around your tools on your workbench. Easy to put storage back in. Easy to put the hose back on. You just line it up, twist and lock. Get your crevice attachment so you can clean with that. I use this around the shop a lot on the around the workbench and everything else. The only thing that I wish it had is I wish the actual hose was a little bit longer and stretchier, but I understand the onboard storage. And the one thing that's really cool is what I can do is I call this self-cleaning shop vac. Take your hose off, snap that in, pop that in. We take our filter out because we can clean the filter. You can do this with any of your shop vacs, and I do this with all of them. Who needs a blower to clean it out? Take it, take your filter out, put it all back together. And there you go. You've cleaned your own filter using your own vac to do it. The wet function to actually empty out a toilet tank when I needed to change the float. So it's a very handy little tool, and I love the portability. Basically, I call it plug and play. Put the battery in, you're off and running. You can take it up to the work site, clean up around the area. And I think this is a must for any enthusiast. So now that we flush, we got to get the water out. So I'm actually going to use my Ryobi project vac, which is great. It's a wet dry vac. If you don't have a wet dry vac, you can actually stick a bucket underneath. What I'm going to do is stick this down inside, and we're going to suck out all the water. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.